Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're diving into Fitbod, an app that uses artificial intelligence to create personalized workout plans for you. Fitbod promises to take the guesswork out of your workouts, so whether you're a gym newbie or a seasoned lifter, this app can be a helpful tool. Let's walk through how to use it and explore its functionalities. 1. Download and sign up. First things first, head over to the App Store and download Fitbod. Signing up is quick and easy. You can use your email address or social media account. 2. Setting up your profile. Once you're in, Fitbod will guide you through setting up your profile. This includes information like your experience level, goals, build muscle, lose weight, etc. And the equipment you have access to: gym, home gym, body weight only. 3. Get your first workout. Fitbod personalizes your workouts based on your profile. The app will ask you about any injuries or limitations you have, and then it's ready to build your first workout. 4. Working out with Fitbod. The app displays your workout routine, including exercises, sets, reps, and weight recommendations. Fitbod uses clear instructions and even has an exercise library with demonstration videos for proper form. 5. Tracking progress. As you complete your workouts, Fitbod keeps track of your progress. You can see graphs of your lifting metrics, streaks, and personal records. This helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Functional analysis. Fitbod goes beyond just suggesting exercises. Here's a breakdown of its functionalities. Personalized training. Fitbod tailors workouts to your goals, equipment, and experience level. AI-powered optimization. The app learns from your performance and adjusts future workouts for continuous improvement. Recovery monitoring. Fitbod considers muscle fatigue to suggest workouts that target rested muscle groups. Exercise library. A vast library with instructions and video demonstrations ensures proper form. Progress tracking. Visualize your progress with graphs and stats to stay motivated. Fitbod is a great option for anyone who wants a personalized and data-driven approach to their workouts. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Fitbod.